Hey up, how are we all doing today? Here we are, we've got a 150 kilogram trolley what we're going to build up and test out. You can buy it on multiple platforms like eBay or Amazon, and it says it's 150 kilograms. So let's have a quick look. Well, that's a big like poster thing. I suppose you can buy, put it over. It's got wheel lock, 2 swivel wheels, 150 kilograms, a nice stable platform, and the carrying handle falls down. Let's get it out, if I can. I ought to do it the other way around, to be honest, because it's wider at the bottom. So I'll undo at the bottom first and slide it out that way. Bit of common sense. Slightly windy here, but I think we're out of the wind, but I can hear it blowing. I don't know if you have to put it up or it's already pre-built. Right, we're going to rip it all off. Sorry about this. Wow. Here we go. So yes, that's the platform. You have got, looking at this, 29 inches wide, long, and 18.5 inches wide. It is a metal base with some rubber around. You have to fit all the wheels yourself. What we have here, I wonder if you get any tools. Put that down. It looks nice. Here we have. Don't know if it's a bearing wheel or not. I don't think it is. Got a little bit of a cold. It is like a rubbery plastic, the outer, and a plastic inner. Here we have the swivels. So you've got a swivel and then a lock. So it locks the wheel so it don't roll away. So you put the swivel ones at the back. All you do is you get a little tool to do it with. I've got plenty of tools, but we'll do it with the tools. And that's what you get in it, in the box. So you get your 4 wheels, 2 swivel, 2 locked. This is all pre-built, the other bit. So let's have a look. I'll quickly put these on and we'll come back. So we're putting the wheels on at the moment. So you get a bolt, a spring washer to go on. You do get the little tool, but you're better off just using a ratchet. You can't see, and it's got pre-countersunk. screw hole, so it just screws in, and then you can just ratchet it up all tight after. Easy to do, anybody can do it, all ages. It's quite simple to do. Just screw it in. Easy job. So that's all done now. All the wheels, less than 10 minutes, if not 5 minutes. I'd just use the ratchet system. It's got a nice little bumper all the way around, plastic PVC bumper. To store it away, you lift this up. Oh sorry, you push it down, my mistake. And the handles falls down, so it's nice. You can put it in your boot if you're getting any like compost or anything from garden centre. You can take this with you, so instead of carrying the compost or anything, you can take that and wheel it to your car. Like I say, it has brakes on the wheels, so it locks the wheels. It is a bearing system as well on the swivel, and we'll go and try it out now. We'll put about, what we got? About 75 kilograms or so. We'll go and see anyway. So here we have, we've got 100 kilograms on the trolley. It is all right. We could do with probably bigger wheels to make it run better over concrete and that. I don't know about, well, it says 150 kilograms, but I'd probably only run it a couple at a time or 3 at a time. Let's see what difference that is. That's 75 kilograms. That seems a lot better. I won't really want 150 kilograms on it, to be fair. But yes, for the price, it's a nice little trolley, that is. Anyway, please like and subscribe, follow, give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.